Hi, I'm Nisa Mackey, a curator at the Walker Art Centre, and this is Kazu, one of the artists from teamLab.
Hello.
We're presenting Graffiti Nature, Still Mountains and Movable Lakes, an immersive projected ecosystem which people can participate in. So Kazu, tell us how people can engage with this work.
We have 9 different templates of creatures and flowers you can pick from, and then say people pick one crocodile and then color with crayons and go to the scanner and then get the drawing scanned, and then your crocodile comes up in the ecosystem.
What happens once our animal is in the ecosystem?
All the animals are in the prey and predator relationship. So the frogs are chased by the lizard, and then the lizard are chased by the birds, and the birds are chased by the crocodiles.
And the work seems to respond to us too in the space. When I stand still, flowers grow up around me.
And then whenever you step on the creatures, the color of the creature splashes out like this.
So I guess you have to be careful where you step.
Every time the visitors add their own animals, it really affects the whole balance of the ecosystem.
Tell us what teamLab was thinking about when they made this work.
We have been very interested in art, science, technology equally as ways to understand and look at the world around us. Everyone, kids, adults, can be engaged and be part of the ecosystem to understand the basic principle of the nature and in the world we're living in.